This tutorial will help you view hydrographs on a mobile device. First, you need to know your Weather Forecast Office 3-letter ID. Refer to the primer document in the description of this video to find that. In this example, I'll be working with the Austin, San Antonio Weather Forecast Office, which has the ID of EWX, Echo Whiskey X-Ray. On your mobile browser, go to water.noaa.gov/area/EWX. This will take you to the area hydrograph page for the Austin, San Antonio WFO as seen here. You can choose either the default hydrograph or scale the hydrographs to flood stage by this first button options that you see here. In this case, we'll just look at the default hydrographs. We will see a listing of all the rivers and streams inside the area here. For example, we want to look at the Blanco River. We see that there's 7 river gauges on the Blanco River. We just tap it here and it will take us to these hydrographs. And from here, we can pinch and zoom to see the different hydrographs on the Blanco River as we scroll up and down. When we're happy with that, we can click the top button here, and you can go back and say we want to scale them to flood stage. You can click that and then go back to the Blanco River. And you'll see now they're scaled to flood stage, and you can see in this particular example, the river levels are all very low, but when water is high, you might want to use that option. If you have any questions on this, see the email link in the description below. Thank you for watching.